Alright, in this video I'm going to give you a great exercise that's going to help develop a good powerful position when you're skating, so you're going to help work on hitting nice lines like this in your forward skating, or anything that you're doing on the ice. Okay, this is an exercise that is great to use for all levels, right from beginner up into elite level skating. Okay, and it's as simple as this. You find something you can put your leg on. Here I'm going to use the barrier there. If I was more flexible, I could even get my leg up there and do the same exercise there. I'm not flexible enough, but if you are, you just need to find something that's the appropriate height. And the exercise is simple. You put your leg up on the barrier like so. You turn your body as if you're skating forwards like this. You've got your arms out to the side like so, legs stretch, and you bend. And you rise up, you bend. You see I'm trying to push my hips forwards, I'm doing it, rise up. You do this a few times, like so. Say I've done it 4 or 5 times. Now I stay down in the knee and I lift and hold. And lift the leg and just hold as best as you can, like so. And it is going to cramp up a lot here, it's going to hurt here, it's going to work really hard. But it's a great exercise to do. You do it the other leg. To show you from face on like this. I have my leg back here, nice and tall. See, shoulders forwards, hips forwards. And I'm trying to keep my hips forwards. I'm not stood like this, because this would be reinforcing incorrect technique. You see I'm pushing the hips forwards like this, and at the back I'm keeping that foot turned out. So I'm here and I bend, rise up, bend. See, I'm bending quite a lot as I do it. Rise up, bend, and I'm going to stay down here, lift and hold as best as I can, keeping the leg locked out, keeping thinking of pushing the hips forwards, pushing that free hip forwards, keeping the shoulders square. Alright, so this exercise can be made even better if you do it with your skates on. And I've seen people do it in the past. They'll go on the ice, they'll be skating around, warming up, and then the coach will tell them to go to the side of the ice and they get their leg up on something, and then they'll almost use it as a part of the warm-up to just get their body used to hitting that position and get used to, strengthen the muscles, and then they'll go and skate around again some more and really trying to focus on hitting these great lines. Now, having the skates on will be a benefit when trying this, because it's going to weigh your leg down. It's going to make you work even harder to lift it up again. And as I mentioned before, if you are quite flexible anyway, lifting your leg up to something high like this, I'm not very flexible enough to do it, but you can see, if you can do the same exercise with your leg getting higher and higher. That all depends on what physically you're capable of. Gradually, even if you start low, you want to start building it up piece by piece until you are flexible enough and strong enough to use something higher to do this exercise. So with this exercise, I would recommend doing it, let's say 5 times. So you put your leg up and you're going to bend 1, 2, a lot of range of motion if you can, 3, 4, making sure the hips are in the right place, 5, and then you're going to lift and hold your leg off for about 10 seconds if you can. Once you've done that, you'll go do the other leg. And you can just skate around a bit, do a set of that, get back on the ice, skate a little bit more, do another set, and that's enough. And you should feel the muscles in the back and in the glutes. You should feel like you had a great workout from this one.